Efu, am I owing you?
What are you following the girl for?
What girl? Huh?
What? Whoa.
Efu, please, leave me alone before this turns ugly.
What turns ugly? What can you do?
Efu.
What can you do?
Efu.
What can you do?
Efu, what's your problem now? What's your problem?
Do you know how much I have given up for her? Do you know who she is? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am?
Oh, of course. I know you. Efo Gaduga. And do you think I fear you?
Yes, you should fear me. Because that is my investment to attack. Nenuva Vaima. Nakasino Nima, you machina. I know Gahoni Magrenawa.
Nene.
I know Gahoni Magrenawa.
I got it.
Nakasino Nima, no, Vienna. Mashira Gamu. Wahai. Kaga, ayanya zima mleto makobo na kuleviaro. This should be your last time. You understand?
Merci.
This should be your last time.
Merci.
I should catch you following that girl.
Merci.
Eh?
For merci.
Else, do you know what? I will spill your blood.
Merci. Efo, merci. You are investing in a girl your daughter's age, and you think that is right. Very soon you put both hands on your head and beg for her.
Mama, move it to you don't have beauty in your eye. Manunyamo a photo, Manunyamo. You want to challenge my beauty. Manunyamo move it to a photo.
I go.
Oh, Sashi! Oh, my profitable investment. How are you? Good.
My grandmother asked me to bring you this.
Your grandma is a very smart woman. She has kept her word. Let me go and wash this dirt off. Wait, then I can come and have a proper meal.
Please, I came straight from the riverside. I am quite famished. If you don't mind, I want to go and eat and have some rest.
Oh, the better. We can eat together, Then even after that, we can have some rest. Okay?
I want to go.
Even Davy understands. You have a right to this place. You have the right to be here. She even knows. Okay? You know something? I will not be long. So you go in and sit. The door is not locked. Okay? Deviare. Figolo. Where is he? Akbani. Where is he? Figolo.
Micah.
Sashi. Hey. You have sacked her. and you are chewing me. Okay. We shall see. You won't get it again. Sashi! Auto! Sashi Yaloto! Oh, Sashi. Hey, are you a witch or a wizard? Eh? You are Saka. We shall see. You won't get it again.
You not agree? I vote me.
And you not vote me. Ayo. Akpa na okpa ni. Akpa.
Yeah, hello? Yeah, I didn't check caller ID. Where are you? Now? What are you studying out for?
Really? I thought you were changing.
Looks like you need the exercise more than I do.
Come on, don't be a sport. Let's go for a run.
Not today, Val. Look, I have a field day tomorrow. And as a matter of fact, how is your day like tomorrow?
What are you thinking?
Come with me?
I wish I could, honestly.
Oh, come on. It'll be fun.
You do realize I've got work, right?
You can work from the car. Now, we can both work from the car. It'll be like a little mini holiday.
There's no such thing, and you know that.
Well, I just created it. So I'm picking you up.
Okay, but you do owe me one.
Now you go to bed. I'll wake you up at 5 a.m.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll see you later then.
Okay.
Alright.
You hungry? All right. Talk to me.
About what?
Winnie. There is something wrong. I know there is something wrong. I can feel it.
The only thing to talk about is the fact that you just turned up at my shop without telling me. What was that about?
Surely I don't need permission for coming to visit my girlfriend.
That's not what I mean. But you know how private I am. I don't want these girls poking their noses in my business.
Okay. And before then?
Before then what? What do you mean?
You have been trying to avoid me, and I'm not the only one. I spoke with your mom.
What? You did what?
Oh, take it easy. I didn't call her. She called me. Wondering if there is something wrong with us, Winifred.
And what did you tell her?
The truth, of course. Why are you trying to avoid me? Why don't you want to talk to me?
Because there's nothing to tell, Moses. There's nothing to tell. What is this? I can't deal with this, Lord.
Deal with what?
This. You, Mom, everyone thinking the worst just because I need me some private time.
Oh, so this is it, huh?
This is what?
All you could have told me is that you needed some privacy.
All right. Fine. Moses, dearest, I need me some private time. Is that okay?
Is there another person?
It's not your fault.
Winifred. Winifred!
You.
Nine.
Ayo.
Hey,
manya. Kaka majiba mi adroje chonu ve viare we na ma adore ju patala. Alo mai matro.
Oh, no.
Ayo, akwa.
Malatoyi.
Ayo. Kaya kwenyeba I have come to discuss matters of interest to both of us. There has been a long-standing relationship between our families, and we both know why. Over Nachima Jazado, however long the night is, the dawn will break. And I believe I am at the dawn of my harvest. So why don't we fix a date and finalize the ceremony so that my wife will come into my compound? He said, a patient man will eat a ripe fruit. For what I witnessed today, I don't think we can hold on to plans that we have. And so these aimless children who have grown into adult, if you don't take time, they will harvest the fruit from my garden. That is why I have come here.
What happened, Efo?
That is a story I will leave for another day. If we don't hurry up with the process, I don't think we can hold on to anything we have planned. Fifia says she's old. Why don't we go ahead and finalize what we started 9 years ago? Right? So I have just come to inform you, but my kinsmen will bring the drinks 1 week from now, so that your kinsmen can also finalize the date for the ceremony.
Well said, Efo. I have been wondering about your plans for her lately. We had an agreement. You have fulfilled all your obligations to my family. God knows I'm not getting younger. I find myself all alone. I am all that is left of my family. Having Ceci under your protection will give me some comfort. I know that she'll be well taken care of. God knows I am no match for these young boys who keep trooping past my window every night. So the earlier you came for your prize, the better it would be for all of us. I want to start nursing my grandchildren. So, Akbe. Akbe.
A very big thank you. If you understand, ma thank you, Come
on for me.
Ayo.
Zanenyo.
Ayo.
Yeah. I sent it to your inbox. Can you call me back in 30 minutes? Just give me a video call when he gets there, okay? Yes, I'm not going to be at the office the whole of today. So I'll go through it and call you back, yes. Okay.
All good?
Yeah. You're aware I still haven't had breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast is at the site.
Oh, okay.
Sir, do you want me to confirm Dr. Ahmed for tomorrow? Because you're free to like 11:30 in the morning.
Okay.
Patrick, can you please get us some breakfast? Please?
Sure.
Thank you, he's such a darling. Sometimes I wish I could just steal you from him.
Something wrong? Since when do you watch me sleep like a guardian angel? Don't you have lectures today?
No.
Alright, then dress up. Come and help me at the shop. Alright?
Inyonu.
Where did you get that from?
Your bag.
What were you doing going through my bag?
I was looking for change.
What change? I gave you money for school. What other change were you looking for?
I'm sorry, Are we going to talk about it?
Now you listen to me. You better pretend that you didn't just see that. Do you understand?
Winifred.
Kumba, do you understand me? If you breathe a word of this to Mama, God help me, you will not like me. What did he say? Speak up now, you're a woman.
You are always shouting at me. Kumba, don't do this. Kumba, don't wear that. Kumba, don't you dare see this person. You make everyone stay off me like some disease. And yes, you are always the one preaching about avoiding pregnancy. Because we don't have room for another math. And what? There you go, you get yourself pregnant. And yes, Kumba is supposed to keep quiet.
Are you mad? Do you know who you are talking to? Have you forgotten who you are talking to?
You set all the rules. Make it so impossible for someone to breathe. And what? Winifred, you go to break the same rules and I'm supposed to keep quiet?
And what would you do? What would you do? Starve me? Pay the bills? Or maybe you pay your own school fees?
The fact that you help my mother pay my fees doesn't make you my mother.
You know what? Why don't you bloody well start fending for yourself? Because God knows, I am tired of thinking for everyone in this family.
Winifred!
You know, and until you start thinking for yourself, get your butt off and come help me at the shop. Stupid girl.
Winifred, Inyonu.
Sasi,
Dada,
ne wo vonava.
you. Dada. Dada. Is everything all right?
Sasi.
Are you sad again?
My dear, I'm always sad. Just that I managed to hide it well.
It's okay.
Akamaya yo. Efo, vava kwa metozame.
Dada, I didn't do anything. No. His wife returned from the market and I didn't feel comfortable, so I left. I don't think she likes me. In effort to, he wanted me to stay in his room. I didn't want to go. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. That Efo Gaduga scares me.
Yakedu elefete sagomolo, ah? Nuka wo, nuka mewo, nuka ejo, che mejo, magbleo.
Then, why was he here?
It's time.
Time for what?
Ah,
no.
yeah,
No.
Hey.
Dada, I will not marry him. I will not marry that man. No.
Look at Amatandi.
Dada, please. Dada, please. Please, don't make me marry that man. Please. You have a choice. You could go back to your village. The rest of your family. You said you have aunties and cousins there.
What I mean is, what future is there in that village for you? You.
Dada, there is no future here either.
But there is hope.
For what?
Hope for a better life than I can afford to give you.
And A4 is my hope?
Ceci, this dream you have of becoming somebody better than this, how is all that going to happen?
I know that there is hope. And God will make a way somehow.
How do you know when that way is paved?
Dada, me de kukula.
De kakpimao ele yo mele dule ile bobodi e do kra gala no fe no kawata now. What can they offer you? My dear, God knows I'm too old to cater for you. When I see those beautiful teachers coming from the city to teach here, I don't cry inside. But sometimes you've got to do what you have to do so that you don't sit on this same bed one day, alone and empty, to tell the same story to your own grandchildren. Now, go and think carefully about everything I've told you. Get prepared. Consider the catch egbe. In fact, that kokoko will only be a formality. They don't even have to knock because the door is already open.